What we're looking at here is this 36-inch NuTone Slimline in brown. This fan has been installed here in my room for the past few years, and I just thought I'd do a video of it before I take it down. And I'm going to replace it with that Royal Windine fan, if anyone remembers that. And that's going to be the new permanent install here, because I just think that's a much cooler fan, and it's kind of too cool not to hang somewhere. And I just would rather have that here instead. There's the top. Well, this light kit, I'll turn the light on. I bought a builder fan, like some crappy builder fan right around the corner from me a few years ago. Just for the light kit, and it had this light kit on it. Had different glass, so I put my own glass on here, which is these bevel shades. Start off on low. I got this fan new in the box at Fanimation of 2021 at the group trip. You can see my Casablanca advertisement sign in the background, that nice little light above it. I actually got 2 of these new in the box. I only kept 1. And even though I put electrical tape around the fittings of the glass, it still makes an awful vibration noise, and you really get to hear that on high speed. And I have this cord running to it because I have it, this original here, and I have a 4 Seasons over there. Basically, the one switch on the wall controls this original, and I just have wires coming off of that, so the one switch does all 3 fans. And there's high speed with that stupid vibration noise. I don't know if it's this one right here doing it. It's like the glass in between there is loose. Wobbles ever so slightly, but you know, not that bad. This fan's done very well here in my bedroom the past few years. It doesn't move that much air, but it moves a bit. It's like okay with air movement. I do really like this fan though. Alright, that is all for the 36-inch brown NuTone Slimline.